Why is nobody talking about this? Today, I'm super excited. We got the ECOVACS WINBOT. The WINBOT is a window cleaning robot. Yeah. This is beautiful. Maybe you have pets and your pets like to lick up all in the window, whatever. Don't worry, this is gonna take care of that. It's gonna clean it. And speaking of pets, did I forget to mention, ECOVACS is the official partner sponsor with the Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show. So the ECOVACS window cleaning robot is safe, smart, and effective. This robot has an effortless automated spraying and cleaning anti-skid system which enables full window coverage. The smart WinSlam 3.0 path cleaning cleans in an efficient back and forth pattern and has intelligent frame detection for optimal spraying and cleaning. But again, this is the quick unboxing just to show you guys how easy it is to set up, and make sure you check yours out today.